The product features an adjustable steering wheel and adjustable seat, so it is comfortable to drive. With a unique traction mechanism, the driver can operate it without getting off. The height of the draw bolt is adjustable. The moving distance between the trailer and the whole vehicle can be adjusted by inching a button, so it is convenient to use. This product series can tow 3 to 5 tons and is really small and flexible. It adopts an AC system, Curtis instrument, and Albright main contactor with electronic power steering, adjustable draw bolt height, low pedal, adjustable back, and battery side pull make operation more smooth and maintenance more convenient.